Actions, things that people do. React, to act in response to something that happened. Helpful, being useful or giving aid. Kind, being nice, friendly, and caring towards others. Considerate, thinking about others' feelings and being thoughtful. Determine, to figure out or decide. Resolve, to find a solution to a problem or a disagreement. Gesture, a movement of the body to express a feeling or idea. Volunteer, someone who offers to help without being asked. Compromise, when people on both sides of a disagreement agree to give up some of what they want in order to reach an agreement that makes everyone at least somewhat satisfied. Contribute, to give something, such as help or money. Encourage, to give support, confidence, or hope to someone. Responsible, being dependable, making good choices, and being accountable for your actions. Cooperate, to work together towards a common goal or purpose. Empathy, understanding how someone else may feel in a situation and caring about their well-being. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. She shows kindness through her actions towards others every day. 2. When someone makes you angry, how do you react to them? 3. Offering to help a friend in need is very helpful. 4. It's always nice to be kind to others, even if they are mean. 5. Being considerate means thinking about others' feelings before your own. 6. Can you determine the answer to this difficult math problem? 7. Let's work together to resolve this argument between friends. 8. A small gesture of kindness can go a long way in making someone happy. 9. I like to volunteer at the local food bank on weekends. 10. In a compromise, both sides give up something to reach an agreement. 11. How can you contribute positively to the project as a team member? 12. Encourage your classmates to do their best on the exam tomorrow. 13. It's important to be responsible and finish your homework on time. 14. We should cooperate with each other to finish the group project. 15. Showing empathy means understanding and sharing someone else's feelings.